If you're looking to replace your 9-to-5 with being self-employed, you came to the right spot. Now, I want to distinguish, there's a difference between being self-employed and a business owner. So I'm focused on self-employed. And the definition of that is really, you don't work for a boss, but you work for many bosses, and those are going to be your customers, all right? So you are going to be the person. You're self-employed, you're doing everything, but you still have bosses, you still have the homeowners at the end of the day. A business, all right, a business means you're not really doing the things anymore. You've got people that do the install, people that do the sales, people that take the phone calls, all of that. That's a business, all right? So now that we got the groundwork set, let's talk about you leaving your 9-to-5 so that you can be self-employed, all right? So now let's just start with some simple math and say that the average person in America is making about $80,000, all right? So $80,000, divide that by 52 bucks, it's only about $1,600 a week. It's $1,538, but for even numbers, we're gonna call it $1,600 per week. There are a lot of home services where you can go and profit $1,600 a week really, really, really easy. I'm known for being in the gutter industry. One gutter job can make you $1,600 pretty darn easily, all right? So you might be able to just live a different lifestyle, not work 40, 50 hours a week for the man right now, leave the 9-to-5, not be giving up your time as a slave for someone else, but go and work for maybe 8 to 15 hours in a week, make that same amount of money, and just live a good life. You can do that, all right? So let's talk about what that could look like. Let's just pick, let's pick something here. We'll pick gutter cleaning, all right? This is pretty simple. Nobody really needs any special tools for it. You need a ladder and a bucket, right? So you can go start your business for $300, all right? Now, you're probably gonna want insurance at some point, but you know what? If homeowners are willing to pay you, you don't really need general liability insurance, okay? You're not gonna mess anything up to that point. You could, all right? You could, don't get me wrong. You talk to an insurance agent, they'll give you 15 reasons why you need general liability insurance, even though you're just cleaning gutters, but you get the gist of it, all right? You can use your personal vehicle that you're already paying insurance for, so you don't need a special commercial auto policy. You could just go file a DBA. You don't even need an LLC. You're not gonna have a ton of liability. Again, you're simply cleaning gutters. And you can go clean gutters for $200 to $300 a pop. That's pretty fair pricing. It's honestly probably a little bit on the low side, cleaning gutters for 200 bucks, but you show up, what if, you have $0 in expenses at that point, zero. You got gas to get there, all right? So if you spend one whole day cleaning 8 to 10 gutter jobs, they all take 30 minutes, we'll say, all right? So let's do 10 of them, that's 5 hours. At 200 bucks a piece, that's $2,000, all right? So you take out your gas from that, we'll call it $40 in gas. That's it, all right? Literally your first week, you got $40 in gas and $300 in a ladder and a bucket, and maybe some big gloves or something, all right? And the rest is profit. So literally your first week, even with buying the material or buying the ladder and everything, you make as much as you are in your 9-to-5. All right, now what separates people from who actually do this from people who don't do this is their ego, all right? You might work a 9-to-5 and be in an office and wear fancy clothes to work every day and be like, I couldn't clean gutters, Colin. I'm not gonna be the guy that does that. And you gotta find something more sexy and cool. And that's where people go to die, all right? That's just the honest truth of it. You can start a business, like an actual business, not be self-employed, start an actual business, but you better have some capital to float it for a little bit, all right? Because you gotta hire people. They need money, all right? You gotta start drumming up leads. It's gonna cost money. You're gonna need $50,000 to $100,000 to launch this thing. And that's a whole other video. But if you're just looking simply to stop being a slave for someone else, be self-employed for a little bit. Learn how to do something, lower your status, all right? It's okay. When I first started, I remember there used to be a Facebook group called Sales Talk with Sales Pros. Ryan Stewman started that, and it grew like wildfire. I remember my first couple years in gutter, I was doing gutter install, right? And it was pretty normal for me to show up as a self-employed person and make $2,000 to $4,000 in a day, all right? Pretty normal. And this was back in 2016, 2017. And I was like, this is awesome. Well, you know who threw the most stones at me for being a gutter cleaner and whatever else was the freaking car salespeople. Like, buddy, I'm making as much in a day as you are in a week. Like, sure, maybe your selling is more badass than mine, but like, why are you dissing what I'm doing because you get to wear a suit to work every day and I wear work clothes? Like, that seems crazy, all right? I didn't give a crap what other people were thinking, all right? I'm not above anybody in this. I mean, literally before I filmed this, my wife called and something got into our hen house and killed 9 of our hens. So I made Sam follow me to the hen house and I was in these exact clothes. I took care of them. I started the big fire pit up, burned them up. Like, it's just a normal day for me, all right? I was ready to cut them up if I needed to and to put some bait in the live bait trap. So anyways, it's just normal for me. I'm not above getting my clothes dirty. And if you're looking to leave the 9 to 5 and quit being a slave for a boss, quit being a slave to what other people think of you as well. You have to be willing to get your hands dirty and do something to live a different life, right? Dave Ramsey has a really good quote: live like nobody else today so you can live like nobody else tomorrow or later on in life. I think you live like nobody else right away, because why do you care to live like everybody else, all right? I don't desire to look like anybody else. It doesn't make sense to me. I want to live my life on my terms, so why am I chasing what other people in the world are doing? My life is my life, all right? I've got a game plan to sell my business in the next few years and live the rest of my life on my ranch, right? Just invest that money right and be able to live on 100, 150K a year, be debt-free and live on that money. Why not, right? So I want to live on my farm. That's all I want to do. I don't need to make money on the farm. I want to wake up, read my Bible with my wife and my kids, and work on the farm with my wife and my kids, and maybe let other people come live and work on my farm. How cool would that be? So that's my story, but what's your story? If you just want to quit being a slave, then it starts now and it starts in your head. You need to make that decision that you're not going to be a slave to what other people think. Be willing to get your hands dirty. Maybe you're really good at wrenching on cars, and that's your thing. You're going to start doing just brakes and, whatever, brakes and suspension components. And that's all you focus on. And you can make enough money doing that, all right? Maybe you leave wrenching and you're making, $1,500 a week. Okay, which is really good for wrenches, right? Maybe you're only making $1,000 a week. Well, how can you charge people to do $1,000 a week worth of work at your house, in your garage, using your tools, not having to deal with employees or corporate BS or any of that stuff? Figure it out. Just take that leap of faith and be willing to bet on yourself. Quit worrying about what other people think. Quit worrying about how clean or dirty or whatever else you get to be, and pursue that life that you are after. So if you're looking to quit being a slave for someone else, go get it. You can do window washing, gutter cleaning, wrenching, landscaping, you name it. You can easily replace your income by being self-employed.